Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to convert normal video to 4K. To start the process, from the taskbar, go to the App Store. Now search for CapCut. Here, tap on CapCut. If you don't have the application, install it from the App Store. Now go on main page and from here, open the CapCut application. After that, tap on New Project. From the display screen, tap on Import. Now select the desired video from any folder. As you can see, the selected video will appear on the screen. After that, tap on the plus icon and add the video for converting. Now tap on Export at the top right. From the options that appear here, set the resolution to 4K. Change the frame rate to 60 FPS or as per requirements. At the end, just tap on Export. Soon your video will get converted. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.